Hello lovelies, you are welcome to my channel once again. So today we want to resolve this problem. We have root t over t to be equal to 2. So I'll be using two methods to resolve this. So for the first method, when we have root a, this is the same as a to the power of 1 over 2. So when we apply this here, we have t to the power of 1 over 2 all over t is equal to 2. But from law of indices, when I have a to the power of b over a to the power of c, this is the same as a to the power of b minus c. Now from here, the power of t here is 1. So we have t to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1 and is equal to 2. So resolving this, we have t, the LCM here is 2, and we have 1 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So this will give us t to the power of minus 1 over 2 equal to 2. So we can square both sides. When we square both sides, we have t to the power of minus 1 over 2 all squared and is equal to 2 to the power of 2. So multiplying the powers here, we have t to the power of minus 2 over 2 equal to 2 to the power of 2 is 4. So this will give us t to the power of minus 1 equal to 4. But from law of indices, a to the power of minus 1 is equal to 1 over a. So we have 1 over t equal to 4. When we cross multiply, we have 4t is equal to 1. So from here, divide both sides by 4. Our t is equal to 1 over 4. Now recall from the beginning, I said I'll be resolving this using two methods. So the second method will have root t over t equal to 2. So when we cross multiply, we have root t is equal to 2t. So we can square both sides. When we square both sides, we have root t all squared equal to 2t all squared. So this cancel out this. We have t is equal to 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and we have 4t squared. So from here, since this is a quadratic equation, we can rearrange it to have 4t squared minus t equal to 0. Factoring out the t from here, we have 4t remaining minus 1 equal to 0. So from here, this simply means that our t is equal to 0 and 4t minus 1 is equal to 0. So let's name this t1. From here, we have 4t to be equal to 1. So this simply means that our t is equal to 1 over 4. Now from the first method, we got t as 1 over 4, but now we are having two solutions for this second method. So let's check. Let's verify to know if the two values of t are correct. So when t is equal to 0, we have root t over t equal to 2, which implies that root 0 over 0 is equal to 2, but 0 is not equal to 2. So let's check for when t is equal to 1 over 4. We have root t over t to be equal to 2, So this will give us root 1 over 4 over 1 over 4 is equal to 2. This is the same as root 1 over root 4 all over 1 over 4 equal to 2. From here, root 1 is 1 and root 4 is 2. So we have 1 over 2 over 1 over 4 equal to 2. So this implies that 1 over 2 divided by 1 over 4 is it equal to 2. I have 1 over 2 times, we'll swap this fraction to have 4 over 1. We need give us 2. So multiplying the numerator, we have 4 over 2 times 1, we have 2 equal to 2. So 4 divided by 2, we have 2 is equal to 2. So the left hand side equals the right hand side. So the value of t is equal to 1 over 4. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.